Hello, my people. Peace and prosperity to you. Here I am again, one more time, before your screen. And I just want to share another experience that I just had during the COVID-19, because it seems like that period, that pandemic was just a time of healing, growth, transformation, realization. I'm sure it was not only me, but spiritually speaking, I'm sure that COVID-19 was a time where most of us, most of people went through some changes, went through some transformation. But I just feel like it's worth sharing, because sharing is caring. And it will always feel good to know that someone out there can relate to your experience. It always feels good to know that someone out there, can just be motivated or encouraged to your experience. We never know. So this one is about how important it is for a woman, especially a stay-at-home mom, to have her own source of income. Unfortunately, it's something that I had to learn on my own. I was expecting at least my mom or, the people around me who have experience on that, to just give me advice and prepare me of what to expect financially when you are a stay-at-home mom, when, you are married with your husband, you live with your husband, and there's just come a time where you are now a mom, you can't work anymore. You have to stay home and care for your baby, right? But during that time, the finances there is just like a complete shift in the finances. For me, personally speaking, financially speaking, I would say there was a time where I just missed that financial freedom. Because before then I was working, right? I was working, I was, making my own money, and I could, get anything I wanted anytime, So I was living in that, I had that lifestyle, of that independence and financial freedom. But once I stay home and I couldn't work anymore, it almost became frustrating to know that I lost that financial freedom, that financial independence. It was, it was frustrating, the change, the transformation, having to depend on your man. It's great, It's great when you have a responsible man who take good care of you, will always provide. That financial freedom, when you lose it, it does something. Knowing that you can get anything you want, go wherever you want because you have your money, you can help your people back home. It just miss you a lot. Like, for me, the change was huge. And since I really wanted to stay home, especially for my baby. I wanted to spend time with my baby, be there for my baby, take care of my baby myself. I'm not against daycare, but I just feel like for me, there is no one else that can take care of your baby better than you. So I would rather just stay home and be available for my baby and just provide my baby the full care. But at the same time, I still wanted to have my financial freedom, have my own source of income, right? So working was not an option anymore, because when you want to work, that's when you have to leave your baby either to the daycare or have a babysitter. So I was like, since I can't work anymore, because obviously working cannot give me all the time that I need to fully care for my baby and to be there, all the time, I just thought that having a business will be the best option, right? And the good thing about having a business is that it doesn't only give you the free schedule because you are your own boss. You can decide to work whenever you want. You can work wherever you want. You can stay home, care for your baby, be there, but still at the same time be productive, right? So that's the very, very good things I really like about having your own source of income, creating your own business. And it's also the fact that you make much more money because you are sharing your natural talent. You are sharing your God-given gift. You are creating your own wealth for you and your children. And if the business is well managed, you can even leave it as a legacy to your kids. Right? You can teach your kids yourself. You can teach your kids about business. You can train them and make them future businessman and businesswoman. So I was like, why not? If I only have to share, my talent, my gift with others, bless others with my God-given gift, why not? Why not do it? Why not give it a try and see how it goes? So I just thought about it, and I thought that maybe I should share it with other women, especially those who are married and who already have children, and those who don't want to leave their baby to the daycare and go to work, those who just want to stay home and be there, completely there, fully there for their kid, give them all your time and attention. I just thought that, having your own business, creating your own wealth should be a better option. I'm not against daycare, but I just feel like, for me, it doesn't sit well with me knowing that I'm leaving my baby to someone that I don't know, someone that I don't trust. With me, personally speaking, I'm not comfortable with that. But with having your own business, I know that I don't have to do that. I don't have to leave my baby somewhere for hours. I don't have to do that. And I know that they're doing a great job. I really appreciate them. But just for me, personally speaking, I feel more comfortable staying at home with my kids. But if having a business gives me that freedom, to stay at home with my kids and make money at the same time, hey, why not? So I just thought that I should share it with any woman out there, maybe who is thinking of what to do, or I just don't know, but it's just a personal experience that I just want to share with you guys. And I just thought that it's worth sharing because it just opened my mind, financially speaking, gave me ideas, and I think it's good because by having your own business, you are creating your own wealth, actually, because you are being your own boss and you manage your time, your money the way you want. No one has to come and control it. No one has to come and tell you when to work, when you can take your vacation, things like that. I was also working, before I became a mom, I was working. It was great, but when the kids come in the picture, things just change, you just see things differently because now in everything you do, you have to involve them in every decision you make, especially financially speaking. You always have to think about them, always. So I just thought that, with children, having a business is just the best option for me. And maybe it could be for another woman out there. Who knows? So that's just what I'm going to do, stay at home, care for my little pumpkin, little peanut, and at the same time, create my own wealth, use my natural talent, use my God-given gift, and share it with others, bless others with that. And then see how the journey goes. And for me, I will also say that, when the universe always, or I would say God, the creator, always puts circumstances in your life that will lead you to your destiny. It will put you in certain circumstances. It will put you in certain situation that will, maybe I would say open your mind, or that will give you an open mind about the different options that you have. I would say those are just sometimes, that's what I believe, that sometimes there are just certain things that happen in your life that are guiding you to your life purpose, guiding you to the person that you are meant to be, or to the things that you are supposed to do. So maybe those ones are just circumstances putting themselves in places to lead me to where I'm supposed to be or where I'm supposed to go. So, but I just want to mention that it's very important for a mom, for a woman to have her own source of income, to create her own business, because it's not only about money. That's the good thing. It's also about, sharing with others, blessing others with what God has given you, and also leaving something to your children, leaving a legacy, a financial, that's what is called wealth actually, leaving a financial gift to your children, right? So yeah, I'm sure there are many more benefits to having your own business, but I think those are the main one for me. Those are, the one that I really consider, and the one that I just wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, that I encourage you, women, I strongly advise you to have your own business, to create your own wealth, whatever it is. You can start from 1 and go to 2 and 3, it's level by level, step by step, little by little. But the fact of just knowing that you are making something from your own, it's almost like having your own signature. It just does something to you. It brings self-accomplishment, if I would say it like that. It just does something to you. It brings you some joy, some peace of mind, and you're also learning. You learn something new. You get out of your comfort zone, and you learn something new. You add more skill into yourself, because the more you practice, the more you get better at it also. So I just thought that it was worth sharing, and just I encourage you, especially Black women out there, invest your time, your money on a business, do something. It might be worth it later on. I really encourage you, and I strongly advise you to just put it in the back of your mind and think about it. Having your own source of income by creating your own wealth, your own business, using your own natural talent, God-given gift to share it with others and bless others with. Think about it. Having the time and at the same time the money. So you don't have to leave. You can stay home, and be fully available for your loved one, but at the same time make as much money as you want. Make money. Being at home or wherever you want to be. I think that's great, personally speaking, that's great. And that's what a business does, So, yes, my people, that's just what I wanted to share with you. And I wish you have a great day, guys, and take care. And I will see you soon. Okay, bye. Thank you.